Today I'm sharing 10 patterns that you can sew in a single day for summer. Each one is light, airy, and perfect for warm weather, plus they're all quick to make. I'll share exactly which fabrics work best for each pattern, and I'll share one pattern that you can get for free right now. Let's start with the Meg dress, which is equal parts trendy and timeless. This romantic pullover dress has this beautiful elastic waist that creates such a flattering silhouette. The scoop neckline is split and cinched with a drawstring, which adds this really lovely detail at the front. What makes this dress special is the flutter sleeves. They add just enough feminine detail to balance the more casual elastic waist. For fabric, you'll want something with nice drape to show off those flutter sleeves. Rayon challis is absolutely perfect. I'd make mine in a floral print rayon challis that just floats as you move. Lightweight linen would also give you a more structured look that's still breezy, or tencel for something with a bit more sheen. What I really love about this dress is how it transitions through the seasons. You can wear it with sandals now, and then you can layer it with a cardigan and boots when it gets cooler. The elastic casing gives you options too. You can do 2 or 3 rows depending on the look you want, which lets you customize the gathering to your own style. Next up is the Aaronica pattern. If you need a comfortable, body-loving tank top or dress to wear this summer, this is the pattern for you. Aaronica has this high neckline and fitted silhouette, and it's just incredibly flattering. The tank top hits just below the high hip, while the dress version hits below the knee. I absolutely always have a simple, fitted, sleeveless knit dress in my closet. Not only is it easy to throw on, but I find that it's perfect for travel because it's easy to layer and it's really versatile to dress up or down. You can wear it with fancy jewelry and heels for dinner out, or throw a linen shirt over it and go to the beach. It really is just a go everywhere kind of piece. For Aaronica, you'll want a medium weight knit with good 4-way stretch, at least 50%. Cotton jersey gives you that classic t-shirt feel, or bamboo jersey for something with a little bit more drape. I particularly love it in stripes, but a solid color is really versatile too. Rib knits also add a beautiful texture that elevates the whole design. If you make both the Aaronica and the Meg dress, you'd have 2 completely different looks that work for different occasions that can be sewn in a single day each. The Leighanne dress is just such a dreamy addition to any summer wardrobe. So this empire waist dress has this beautiful gathered skirt that gives it so much movement and flow when you walk. What makes it special is the clustered darts on the lined bodice that create this really tailored, fitted look through the top. The faced hem and side slits are such a thoughtful detail that make it both stylish and practical for hot summer days. What really stands out about Leighanne is the strap design. So those double straps in the front add this really flirty, feminine detail that's perfect for summer, while the adjustable strap in the back ensures you get a comfortable custom fit. And yes, it has side seam pockets too. For fabric, you'll want something light to medium weight. I think a linen and a bright color would be absolutely stunning for this dress. Chambray would give it this casual, everyday feel that's still really put together. Or rayon challis if you want something with more drape and flow. What I really love about Leighanne is how versatile it is for summer. The straps just really beautifully show off your shoulders, but it's designed in a way that makes it easy to throw a light cardigan or top over it when the evenings get cooler. And that volume in the skirt is just magical. It just has this wonderful, swishy, swirly quality that makes you want to twirl around. I think this would be perfect for summer parties or just running errands in a dress and flip-flops on a hot day when you want to feel put together, but you still want to stay cool. Let's talk about the Ariel dress, which just embodies easy summer style. It has this midi-length column silhouette with delicate straps and a center front vent that makes it both stylish and really practical. The clean lines make this dress look so effortlessly chic without compromising comfort at all. I love the loose fit and that vent in the front. It makes it so much easier to walk and move around in. I think this dress would be really perfect in linen. I actually have a similar dress in red linen, and not only do I wear it all summer, but I like to layer it over a long sleeve t-shirt in colder weather too, which makes it really, really versatile. For fabric, lightweight to medium weight wovens work best. Rayon for drape, voile for something really light, or even silk if you're feeling fancy. Linen or lyocell give it a bit more structure, but still keep that breezy feel. Next is the Kari romper, which is high on my list for this summer. So if you're craving a garment that's the ultimate in summer comfort, I think this is it. This romper has a trapeze silhouette that actually disguises as a dress in drapey fabrics. The shoulder ties add this really playful detail and make for really easy fitting. And yes, it has pockets too. I actually wanted to make Kari last summer, but I never really got around to it. I absolutely love short rompers in summer because I find them so comfortable and breezy, but they're also really easy to move around in. I think a bright colored linen would be so pretty, like a bright pink or a cobalt blue. Another thing I'm considering is a metallic linen, which would give it this really special look for summer evenings. So for fabric, light to medium weight woven fabrics work best. Linen, chambray, batiste, lawn, voile, rayon challis, all of these would be perfect. Now let's talk about the Darcy wrap skirt. Darcy is such a special piece because it has these 3 radiating pleats and a lined tie closure that create this soft drape that draws your eye to the whole garment. It has a semi-fitted straight cut with a curved faced hemline, and it has darts to create additional shaping at the back of the waist. What's really clever about this wrap skirt is that it's secured with a hidden twill tape tie inside, and then the line tie on the outside is sandwiched within the facing. This means you can move comfortably all day without worrying about the wrap flying open, which is something I always worry about with wrap skirts. I recently came across a Max Mara wrap skirt in silk and linen that cost about $1,000 and thought you could create a really similar look with a Darcy pattern. A sarong style is so elegant in summer, and I think it would look gorgeous in a soft linen. You could play with the size of the tie also, making it longer and wider if you wanted to. For fabric, light to medium weight wovens work best. I think the Robert Kaufman Brussels washer linen would be just perfect for this skirt. It has just enough drape while still holding its shape. Rayon would give it a flowier look, or silk for something that's really, really luxurious. Darcy would pair beautifully with the Aaronica tank I mentioned earlier because the sleekness of the top would offset the detail at the waist. Next up is the Patsy skirt. So Patsy is this modern day take on the peasant skirt with a wide waist yoke for shaping, a slightly gathered skirt, patch pockets, and a bottom panel that creates such a beautiful silhouette. I love the paneled look of Patsy because it makes it so fun to play with fabric. I think it would look amazing in eyelet with the lace going in different directions for visual interest. Stripes are really fun too. You could have them going vertically in the main part of the skirt and then horizontally in the bottom panel like this. For fabric, lightweight to medium weight options work best. So linen, cotton blends, poplin, and double gauze. And for that bottom panel, you can get really creative. Use sheer fabrics like lace, add some trim between the panels, use eyelet, or even organza to create something that's really special. Speaking of skirts, let's talk about Yarrow. So Yarrow is an elastic waist, two-tiered skirt with this really beautiful pleated hem. It features an elastic waistband, inseam pockets attached to the waist seam, and rectangular panels that make it perfect for border prints and eyelet. The tiers give the skirt a really lovely fullness that makes it work so well with simple tops. It also has two pleats at the hem, which gives it the special detail that sets it apart from other tiered skirts. Yarrow is another great option for playing with fabric, and it's even easier to sew and wear since it has an elastic waist. The panels are simple rectangles, which means you can use interesting border prints, stripes, eyelet, anything you want to showcase. For fabric, lightweight wovens are really perfect. Cotton lawn, cotton voile, cotton gauze, chambray, gingham, Swiss dot, linen, or rayon challis. I'm thinking about making one in a lightweight chambray, which would give it a casual feel that's still pretty put together. Now let's talk about the Kemper top. So this paneled tank top is a blank canvas for color blocking, using your fabric scraps, and playing with different prints. Kemper features a partial peplum, front yoke, and a paneled front and back with a bias finish at the armholes and the back neckline. Obviously, you can tell that I love panels in summer because I think it's really fun to play with lace and prints at this time of year. Kemper has this cute peplum that I think looks really great with shorts, or you could pair it with either the Patsy or Yarrow skirts that we just talked about. Wouldn't it be cool to create a coordinating set with different panels of eyelet or color blocking? For fabric, light to medium weight wovens work best here too. Linen, chambray, cotton lawn, batiste, shirting, double gauze, and rayon challis. What's really fun about this top is that you can use up smaller pieces from your fabric stash and create something really unique. And finally, let's talk about the Madhu top. So this cropped raglan top is so easy to sew. You can literally cut it out and wear it on the same day. Not only that, but it's currently our free pattern. So we rotate our free patterns. So if you want to grab a copy before it's gone, check out the link in the description to grab it. The Madhu top features an elastic finish at the neckline, the sleeve, and the hem, creating the silhouette that's really perfect for spring or summer. I absolutely love Madhu. I'm actually making a smocked version right now, which I'm going to share with you really soon. It's extremely easy to sew, and the crop shape is perfect with high-waisted pants or shorts, or either of the skirts we talked about too. The elastic casings are what take the longest with Madhu, but they're actually really no fuss to sew. For fabric, light to medium weight wovens work best here too, so linen, chambray, cotton lawn, batiste, shirting, double gauze, and rayon challis. I think it would be especially pretty in a printed lawn with a really small, delicate print, or in a solid linen for something that's a little bit more structured. The Madhu would look absolutely perfect paired with the Patsy skirt. Proportions just work really well together. Here's an extra tip for sewing any of these summer patterns. Pre-shrink your fabric. Summer clothes tend to get washed frequently, so make sure you wash and dry your fabric exactly as you plan to wash the finished garment before you cut into it. This is especially important for natural fibers like linen and cotton, which can shrink quite a bit. If you want even more quick sewing inspiration that's perfect for warmer weather, watch this video next to discover 10 easy tops to sew that'll help you build your handmade wardrobe even faster.